Hey everybody, it's Chainsaw Reacts. Today is a very special day because today I get to react to Justice League Comic-Con footage spoof Toon Sandwich created by Artsphere Entertainment. I cannot wait to get this freaking video. I'm so excited. In my personal opinion, Artsphere Entertainment is one of the greatest spoof/parody video makers on YouTube. I haven't seen all the Toon Sandwiches, but all the ones I have seen from them have been phenomenal, perfect, amazing, all those words. It's just beautiful art, and it's fantastic, and I cannot wait to see what they do with the Justice League Comic-Con trailer we got this year. So without further ado, let's not waste any more time. Let's get into it now. Justice League Comic-Con footage spoof Toon Sandwich by Artsphere Entertainment. Let's get into it and see what they have to say about this trailer. Let's go.
There is a stranger who comes to this village from the sea. Brings fish in the winter when people are hungry. Comes on the king tide. Or the queen tide if the king tide's booked out. That was last night.
You are mistaken. We have never heard of this man.
Hey, Aquaman! Thanks for bringing us that fish last night on the king tide. You legend! Oh, and if you're taking requests for next time, is lobster out of the question?
I hate this village.
I believe that an enemy is
That was
coming
good.
from far away. How come none of you guys showed up for me mom's funeral, but when Hagrid's stupid shoe gets dented, you're out in force? Silence!
I'm looking for warriors.
One shield to rule them all.
Alcoholics with excessive body art.
He said he'll fight with us.
More or less.
Oh my god.
He said no, didn't he?
What gave you that?
That was good.
Barry Allen. Bruce Wayne.
Look, man, I don't know who you are, but whoever you're looking for... What? Oh, hey, you must be a friend of...
Oh my god!
Oh my god.
My twin brother, whose name is also Barry, but was never blessed with superhuman powers!
Oh.
I'm sorry to have to tell you. Your brother was a terrorist.
Oh.
That's both legs broken.
Yep.
No deal!
No deal. Oh my god.
Not again!
Not again.
I heard about you. Didn't think you were real.
I'm real when it's useful.
Well, is it useful now?
Nah.
Batman? Where'd you go?
Cyborg? Who are you talking to?
Does not compete.
That was good. That was good. I love that ending.
Arthur Curry. I hear you can talk to fish.
That's ridiculous. I do not talk to fish.
Oh, I see how it is. Bros before Nemos.
Aw.
So, Batman, who exactly is this enemy coming from far away?
He's this guy who used to pick on me in school. Real mean kid. Anyway, I heard he's moving back to Gotham, so I figured...
Wait, he's just a kid who picked on you?
Well, he's not a kid anymore. He's my age. And if it weren't for the accident, he'd be a similar build, too. What accident? Oh, he lost both his legs to frostbite on a world fishing assignment to the pole. But none of that's relevant.
Stop. You assembled the world's greatest superheroes to beat up a middle-aged charity worker in a wheelchair?
No. Your phrasing is prejudicial. He kissed Claire Buckton in 3rd grade when he knew I had a big thing for her. Justice League. More like long-term grudge league. I'm going back to the ocean. Aquaman.
That was good.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm going back to Cyberdyne.
oh come
Cyberdyne.
Cyborg. Flash, don't you leave too.
I left a few seconds ago. This is just a residual image.
What? No! Wonder Woman, come on, don't break up the band.
Sorry, Bruce. I'm going back to my
Bruce.
home. An island paradise entirely populated by super fit women in miniskirts.
Oh, well then I should probably go with you, as your protector.
That's not happening.
God, this is grade 3 all over again.
Great the all over again. Oh my god. That was good. I really, really liked that. Holy crap. That was funny as hell. I like the part at the end where he's like, I didn't think you were real, and he's moving his head all around. And he's like, I'm real when it's useful. Is it useful now? Nah, he disappears. And then I love the part where it's like Wonder Woman's like, who are you talking to? Like, it's like Cyborg, he was talking to nobody. And then the circle does not compute. That was pretty good. I like the little cameo at the end where Nemo, or no, it was it Dory and Nemo, or was that Dory and Martin? I think that's the dad's name. That was pretty good though. Nice little cameo from those characters. Yeah, I really enjoyed this Toon spoof a lot. I love I also, like I said, I'm trying to remember everything that happened because it just happened so fast. That thing where he throws the batarang and kills the twin brother, also known as Barry, and then he dies again when he's in the suit. Like, not again! Like, why was your twin brother, who's already dead, in the suit? Who dies again? It makes no sense. But the beauty of this is that it doesn't need to make sense. It's just funny as hell. It felt kind of short at first, and then the audio kind of picked it up because I'm sitting there going, well, they cut a few things. They weren't really, they didn't follow the trailer exactly. They kind of just cut some stuff out. I don't know if that was because they wanted to or because they felt that it wasn't good enough. But I like the audio part at the end where essentially they're not teaming up for Steppenwolf and the Parademons and eventually Darkseid. It's because there's somebody moving back to Gotham who was a piece of crap to Bruce when he was a kid. So he's like, we have to assemble to beat this guy who's in a wheelchair and he's a middle-aged man and he's got nothing. And then Wonder Woman's like, well, I'm going to go back to my island full of women in skirts. She's like, oh, maybe I should go with you. And she's like, no. I really enjoyed this trailer spoof. Art Spirit Entertainment once again does a phenomenal job. I love these Toon spoofs so much. I love what they do with them. They're unique. There's so many parody videos out there that make parodies of Justice League and Marvel and DC and all that kind of stuff. And the Toon sandwiches, for the most part, are original and they stand out amongst the other parody videos that are out there. Don't get me wrong, the other parody videos are great in their own way, obviously. But Toon Sandwich has caught something special that I think is the reason why they've passed 100,000 subs pretty quick and they've continued to get popular and their videos get spread everywhere because they make great content, and I cannot wait to see what their next one is going to be. I don't know what it could be. They've already done Doctor Strange. I don't know what else they could do. I guess they could do the next Rogue One trailer. The next one that had Darth Vader at the end. Maybe they could do that Rogue One trailer. I don't know. But I love this trailer. I love this Toon spoof. It's basically a trailer. But I love the Toon sandwich. I love the episode. I cannot wait to see what they do next. I love this video. Can't wait to see what is next for them. I mean, you know, they rarely post, but the beauty of it is when they do post, it's something special because they've been working on it for quite some time, so you know it's going to be good. And once again, they did not disappoint with this video. So there you have it, guys. I enjoyed this Toon sandwich. Another fantastic one from them. Awesome stuff. Cannot wait to see what happens next. Link to this video is in the top of the description. Obviously, go subscribe to go subscribe to Art Spirit Entertainment if you haven't already, because you should, because they deserve your subscription, they deserve your view, because they make great content, and they need all the subs. Give it to them. Give it to them. Okay, thanks so much for watching, guys. Peace out.